Imagine a bustling city where countless electrical devices hum with energy. At the heart of this vibrant world lies the electrical transformer, a critical component that ensures the seamless distribution of electricity from power plants to homes and businesses. First, visualize the structure of a transformer. It resembles a box with multiple wires protruding from its sides. The animation gleams with vibrant colors representing the flow of electricity. As power travels through high-voltage transmission lines, the transformer steps down the voltage, making it safe for households. Next, envision the transformer's two coils, the primary and secondary windings, elegantly coiled around a magnetic core. As electricity enters the primary coil, it generates a magnetic field that nudges electrons in the secondary coil, allowing energy to transfer. The animation highlights this interaction, showcasing how electromagnetic induction illuminates the connection between the coils. As the transformer operates, imagine the bright sparks that symbolize efficiency and power. Transforming high voltage to low voltage occurs while minimizing loss, depicted through shimmering trails that represent energy efficiently moving through the wires. The viewers can almost feel the energy surge, illustrating the life-sustaining role of transformers in our daily lives. Explore the diversity of transformers in the animated landscape. Different types appear. Distribution transformers seen on utility poles, industrial transformers in vast factories, and portable transformers used at construction sites. Each type is animated with unique characteristics that embody their functions, illustrating how they meet the various needs of electrical distribution. The animation then shifts to the protective features of transformers, enveloped in serious tones as alarms go off during faults. Illustrations show circuit breakers reacting promptly, ensuring safety and continuity. This sense of security reinforces the importance of transformers in preventing electrical hazards and ensuring reliability in power supply. In conclusion, as the animation draws to a close, it encapsulates the essential journey of electricity, from generation to consumption. It leaves the audience with a striking understanding. Electrical transformers, though often overlooked, are the unsung heroes ensuring our world remains illuminated and powered. This visual journey not only educates but also instills appreciation for the intricate systems keeping our lives connected.